Every time the phone rings and I'm on duty, my heart stops and I'm just like, oh no, I hope somebody didn't get hurt. I mean, there's really no reason for sexual assault in the military. If you can't tell me what a restricted and unrestricted report is, that's the problem, because we have the training multiple times a year. So this month is Sexual Assault Awareness and Prevention Month. So to kick off the month, we did a chili cook-off. So food brings everybody out together. It makes it a big melting pot, which chili is. You have a lot of ingredients that you incorporated into it to make it a great product.
You got the main ingredients, you got your side ingredients, which in our case, it can represent the different types of people in place to support the SAPR program, where the chili needs different types of ingredients in order to make the support of the chili to be a success. Doing an event like this to where it gets the community involved, it gets commands involved, and it's promoting the program so that everyone knows that it's just not just a training exercise and it's just not a requirement for them to do every year. And I think that's a bigger step for the program for it to be successful as well.
So I would say know what to look for, know those signs. Bystander intervention is the biggest thing we can do. We can always help, just being that distraction.
With their help, it will help us prevent any kind of assaults that might happen in the future.
We have to be the change. We have to. Like I said before, there's no reason for sexual assault in the military, not just the Navy. So we have to be that change and help our sailors out.